Hi guys, it's me, Torrance McEachran here, and student from Trillium. Well, today I'm just showing my class what I did. It's my firearm wheel lock. It's like I got it for $19.99 and $19.99 and free shipping. And it's a $19.99 wheel lock alarm. So as today, I'm just gonna show you what I did. So fire alarm goes all the way from there to my switch, and the wirings are not connected because no power's not in there because no batteries. But the switch works all the time, but not the alarm right now, probably because it can't send power. Like, you gotta put one switch, like you gotta keep having push more power, but that's the last power because the cords are way too long, and it won't push the power all the way along. But I'll show you what I did. If you can't see the negative positive, I'm sorry, but I did. You can see a little bit, but I did. And there you have it. And I will put the fire panel like right here, and so it goes all the way from over there. And I'll send the wiring all through right here. And sends all the way over here out to the living room. So that's it, guys. Bye.